Assalamualaikum, I hope you're quite well. Today I have one stylish font. This falls in TTF and OTF file. Name is Bi-Flod regular and Bi-Flod is Stylistic. So just simple, select all or select this, right click, click on install one font and two. Okay, and then go to Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw, etc. where you're writing something. Click new, and I write my channel name or website name in capital. Color going to black and select Bi-Flod. Here is Stylistic and here is regular. First I tried this Stylistic write in capital Sheri SK. Wow. These are in capital and here is small letter Sheri. Wow. SK. Here is small letter, and here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 8 hash and use dollar icon, percentage and star. So here is a Stylistic, and I tried to writing in small letter or regular Sheri in capital, Control A and B. Here is regular, so you see regular. These fonts are in capital and font name is Bi-Flod regular, and here is small letter. Smalls or capital letter are, I think, are same. Okay, and fantastic is just Stylistic. Sheri SK.com. and select Stylistic. Oh, here is regular, and B. Here is Stylish. Amazing. So you can write anywhere, and I hope this font is useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.